Now in this course, let's see dimension tool. Dimension tool is to draw dimension line between any two points. Example, I draw a rectangle here. And I would like to have the dimension between two edges. So I'm going to take my dimension tool, and with this I need to select it two points. So for example this until this, and here I can see that I have 5.67 m here between these 2 points. Now I want to have a measure between this endpoint and this endpoint. So I'm going to use my dimension tool, and I select this endpoint, and I can raise this like this. And here I have 1 meter, 1.1 m. So it is very useful if, for example, you want to create a map, to create a plan for a project. After, you can have all the right measures of your plane, and it is very useful if you want to talk about your project. Here I have this house. I selected this house that I created. If I want to have the size of a window, I can go on my dimension tool. Here I'm going to select one endpoint, a second endpoint, and here I know that I have 120 centimeters. It is the size of my window here. The width of my window here. If I want to have the height, I can select it, this endpoint. So I'm not totally at the end. I'm going to change. So this endpoint, and I go up until this, and here I can see that I have 225 centimeters or 2.25 meters. And here I can raise this outside of my house at this place. And you can see that for many things on your document. For example, here we can see the width between these two points, and after just the width for the room here. Here's the width from this face of the house, like this.